Hello, my name is Ali Goff, and I am the owner and founder of Goff Legal. This FAQ is regarding what is a revocable living trust. So, a trust is a written instrument that has three parties: the trust makers, the trustees, and the trust beneficiaries. You have to have all three to be valid here in California, probably quite frankly in every other state. So, for example, the trust makers are the people who create the trust. They say, I would like to put someone in charge and give my stuff to so and so on my death or while I'm alive. Then the trustees are really the managers. They are the people that you put in charge to actually follow your wishes, execute your wishes. Now, many times you create a trust during your life, a revocable living trust. You'll put yourself in as charge as trustee, and when you're done, you'll name backups. So they'll be the successor trustees. And in case you're incapacitated or pass away, you've got other people who can follow your wishes and transfer assets. And then finally, we have trust beneficiaries. Now, this can get really simple or really, really complicated, but essentially, you want to make sure that while you're alive, who are the beneficiaries? It's probably you, by the way, and that's normal. And then when you're gone, where does your stuff go and how does it get there? We have the option of naming beneficiaries outright, which means we give it to them immediately after the administrative process is done. Then we've got continuing beneficiary trusts. This is usually used for people who have disabilities or aren't great money managers or who are minor children, and we want to make sure to take care of their money. We babysit it for a little bit longer until they're ready, and then at a certain age, the trustee will distribute it. What's really important is to make sure that the trust is actually funded with assets. So changing the title to real estate, bank accounts, brokerage accounts, and any businesses to make sure that they avoid probate. Obviously, you'll need to look at the beneficiary designations to make sure that all of those are really tied in together and are connected. So the good news is with proper planning, like a trust-based plan that is completely funded, you can avoid probate. And with certain types of trust, you may also be able to avoid or eliminate or reduce estate taxes. So it's important to make sure that you get this as part of your plan and don't miss out on it, because the revocable living trust is one of the key elements to a really good trust-based plan to avoid probate. If you need anything else from us, or if you have any other questions, please contact us at gofflegal.com.